Hey everyone, once again welcome to my channel Dhara Space Inox. Today I'm here to clear a concept between the oblique shockwave and expansion shockwave, when and where this oblique shockwave will occur. So before getting started, here I'm going to deal with three major cases with different angle of attack of this wedge. So this is one of the important topic as the GATE exam is concerned, even in the terms of academic. So to learn in depth, so watch this video till the end, and if you have further queries or requested video, don't hesitate to write in the comment box. So before getting started, as we are discussing about GATE, so all of you are aware of Unacademy. Unacademy also provide GATE coaching, along with that daily scholarship test, not only for GATE and also for EAC exam. This is a platform where you can take a scholarship test which is completely free of cost. So what you have to do is you have to just follow 4 basic steps. The first and foremost is you have to download this Unacademy and you have to try the Unacademy for free. Then move to the second step. Just start the test. Click onto the button, start the test. And step 3 is you, based on your domain, you have to choose the respective subject and you can just hit the button start and you will move forward for your daily scholarship test. So these are the 4 basic steps you have to follow, and again it's completely free of cost. So Unacademy also provide a GATE coaching especially for electrical, EC, mechanical and civil as well as chemical engineering. So each of it, some are bilingual both in Hindi and English. So what are you waiting for? Go and register today, and don't forget to use my code ASH10 to get further benefits in your course fees. So now moving forward to our agenda, here we are going to study 3 basic case studies. Now we will discuss this case study one by one. Now consider the first case study. In the first case study, there is a wedge shape A, B, C, D, which is named, and this wedge shape with the chord AC, which is lying on 0 angle of attack, where the wedge shape is provided as 10 degree with a semi wedge angle. Now here, when the flow moves across this wedge with the Mach number greater than 1, we are going to study that what sort of impacts, what sort of shock waves is going to occur across this profile. Now, when the flow moves from A to B, as this edge A to B is inclined 10 degree from the horizon, so it will create an oblique shock wave. Now further moving from A to B to C, right? Now let's observe the plane AB. Now compare the plane AB as compared with BC. The BC plane is inclined downwards to the angle of 20 degree. So this AB plane, what will happen as it is deflected downwards as compared with AB, it will lead to form an expansion shock wave. Now further moving forward to the BC. Now BC, what will happen? BC, from the BC to the free stream, the dotted line, the blue color dotted line. Now if we see the angle, right, it will lead to a free stream flow. So the angle between this AB and the free stream, which is inclined upwards of 10 degree. So when the flow moves across this BC and to the free stream, it will, at the point of C, it will lead to happen an oblique shock wave. And as this profile is completely symmetric profile and having an angle of attack is 0, so both the AB and AD is going to be symmetric. D point and B point is also going to be symmetric, and C point is also going to be symmetric, which is an oblique shock wave. Now moving further, let's come to case 2. Now here in this case 2, the wedge is inclined at an angle of attack of 10 degree, and looking to this diagram, here the semi wedge angle is also 10 degree. So what happens, the AB is lying on the AB edge is also lying on the line of horizon. Here the main agenda is we are going to analyze only about the oblique shock wave and expansion shock wave. So as this AB is inclined, there is no inclination horizon, so no shock wave, neither the oblique nor the expansion shock will occur. But looking at the point B, as compared with AB and BC, the BC plane is inclined downwards. So obviously at the point B, it will lead to form an expansion. Now again comparing to the point C, that is for the comparing this BC and the free stream line, which is again further inclined it upwards as compared with the BC line. So the point C will lead to happen an oblique shock wave. Now moving to the same agenda, as in this, even though this ABCD, the wedge shape is symmetric, but the flow moving around this wedge shape is not symmetric. So the lower surface and the upper surface, the flow around this upper and lower is going to be differ. So what at the point AD will happen when the free stream velocity comes and hit at the point A with respect to AD, the AD is deflected upwards. So at the point A, at the bottom profile, it will lead to happen a oblique shock wave. Now at the point D, one thing you can make sure as the comparing the edge AD and DC, right? So always this D point and B point are always inclined with each other. So inclining downwards. So D and B points always lead to happen an expansion shock wave. Now moving forward from the point DC and further to the streamline, which is always lying in the direction of free stream. So here at the point C in the bottom profile, neither the oblique nor the expansion shock wave will lead. So this is for the case 2. Now moving for the case 3. Case 3 is the angle of attack is 20 degree from the chord line, or we can say that from the leading edge of AB, the edge of AB from the horizon, it's 10 degree angle of attack. So in this kind of scenario, what sort of flow will happen at each and every point at this page? So at the point A, we can see that when the free stream flow comes and hit at the point A, upper profile, so the AB point is deflected downwards of 10 degree. So we can say that as it is deflected downwards, it leads to happen expansion shock wave. B point already we have discussed, always at the B and the D point will lead to happen an expansion shock wave. Further moving to the point C. Now moving from the point C, we can analyze the edge of BC and the free stream line. So the free stream line is inclined upwards as compared with the BC. So at the upper profile of the C point will lead to happen on oblique shock wave. Vice versa, it will happen the same thing for the lower profile as well. So looking forward the point A for the lower profile, this AD point is deflected upwards. So the point A will lead to happen an oblique shock wave. D point expansion and C. Now compare the point DC and the point free stream. So comparing that, this edge DC and the streamline is deflecting downwards. So at the point C in the bottom profile, the C point will lead to happen an expansion shock wave. So there are several phenomena, so you can expect such kind of questions in your GATE question or even your academic to have a clear concept about the shock wave, especially the oblique shock wave and the expansion shock wave. Hope this session was useful for you guys. And if you have further requested video, you can write straight in my comment box and I'll get back to you. Till then, goodbye and fly high.